just here in Mbarara. We are live in Mbarara. We are live in Mbarara. The security has blocked the roads, not expecting this. In Mbarara. Oh my God. The president is just in Mbarara. They already say that he is the president of Uganda. They are testing it. The president of our nation, the people's leader, the people's president is the leader of this nation. He was chosen by the people. The people's leader is telling them to vote the umbrella. We are on the side of the umbrella. We are live in Mbarara. We are in Mbarara. Where am I? Yes. This is Ghetto TV. The President, His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, after opening up the new headquarters of NUP in charge of Western Uganda, or call them the regional offices, is now leaving. This is how much the people of Mbarara are excited to see the president. They call him Musinguzi. Ayabigambire naza kubyehakana eyabyogera jabyegana. Ayabigambire naza kubyehakana. You will never see tear gas in this city. That's how much these people they really disrespected other regions. Regions endala bazimanyira muno ba making sure nti ba containing bintu byabwe muno bakuma abantu atabasa kuwa mu tear gas. Babeera balinga walaba Gobesoka no yingira wakati obo bayina okujjako ngo batangidde nga bakusangidde wabweru abali wakati head office azitadde wakati wennyini bayitawo ku State Square bayitawo ku Independence Park we wali office ya National Platform the Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu turekese beno Mbarara abatadde ku Independence Park abatadde ku Independence Park nakugambye wana abasajja bano bagezi ewaabwe tebakubayo tear gas bw'obasooka mu kibuga oba bamaze ewaabwe tebakubayo tear gas naye bwe batuuka e Kampala n'ebibuga ebirala nga boonoona bintu by'abantu. This is the ghetto gladiator, the people's president. Abantu bali kubamuubirako eno ye Mbarara. Bagamba Mbarara ya Museveni, bagamba Mbarara ya Yero. Bakiguddeko omukulembeze w'eggwanga yarondebwa abantu amaze kubakubako a surprise abawadde head office. Tuli wakati mu kibuga Mbarara. Nze atusingwise Jonan nonga abantu bitu ba Rukunjiri, abantu bitu ba Bushenyi, abantu bitu ba Kanungu, abantu bibanda, abantu ba Mbarara mweno mu kibuga, abantu baharo mu Kijungu, ntubakunda munonga ogunu Musinguzi. Musinguzi alyo mu Western Uganda. Musinguzi yabakula erizoba abantu bakunuya security kyekora tekateera mu tear gas waba banzamu nibakume ebintu byabo onka baliko mu Zambale baika Kampala baika Jinja bashishe ebintu by'abantu hati tear gas kunzigabo mu Kampala konka abo kujja ngo ahemali yabo noheri aha ebintu byabo kunuya mbakwereka nguija kunuya nebehindura batakureba bareba bakwate ebintu by'abantu mu magezi hati babakwate kiro wamakuruga mwiwe ko kugamba shishe ebintu by'abantu konka wotakagenzire kulaka kwata ebintu byabo. That's how tribal these people are. ogoniwe president wihanga nahuba ihanga ryona nahuba bendera yenseji abagize ati mutakaronda cyaguranye no mutakumwenda murondi ihanga akabonero n'umutaka akabonero kabo n'umutaka irizoba turiyo muri mbara ya live on Ghetto TV njagala muzukute mutegendi bana basajja basosoze mu ango gwetu tebasa kuba tiya gasi wano bolesoka obo bayina bebakusoka bakublokingira out nebo batuka mu Kampala bebatuke Jinja bebatuke Mbale ngabono ne bintu by'abantu kuba bamanyi nti erisi byabwe bana basajja. Thank you guys, mwebale nnyo embundu bazihayo buli kimwe kyona abantu bakitina they no longer fear Kyagulanyi. You see how people love His Excellency, the people's gladiator, the 10th President of the Republic of Uganda. Is now the official candidate, the presidential candidate in coming elections come 2016. Abantu bambara abantu babushenyi akabonero no mutaka murondo mutaka no baronda Kyagulanyi His Excellency Robert no baronda mutaka rondo mutaka ronda NUP obeno wandi hanga rondo mutaka rondi irwaro rungi rondo mutaka no bawaronda amasomero marungi no waronda oku ekibi taka cyahwaho nabwe echo muronde His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Sentamu. His Excellency yoyo mwana w'abandi babera bali bayayi no bareba no barakwa kwiruka. They will never tear gas their brothers and sisters. They rather join the rally. They will never tear gas their fellows. Never tear gas their business. Bagala nyo kono nebye wala. Oye mukulembeze. Mwebale nyo. Twenda kwebaza abantu wa Western Uganda. Twenda kwebaza abantu bankore. Kwebaza abantu bibanda. Mwebale jo rukunde gumeho. No mushisha wedembe. Yaba office tuka. We are live in Mbarara. The tribal talk is over. The tribal talk is over. They never knew that His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi is a global man. He's a global king. He's a global leader. He's a national leader. They hold guns, but they have nothing. They hold guns for nothing. They hold guns for nothing. They will never understand the power of God. They will never understand the power of God. He's our leader. He's the national leader. They talk a lot of Swahili. They talk a lot of tribal language. But the president is one. He's ever encouraging them to love Uganda, to vote Uganda, to believe in Uganda. His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Sentamu. Oye mukulembeze. Okwenwe mwebembezi. Wabantu baronzire. He's a national leader. Ogoniwa musinguzi najenda nahubira abantu mpora abantu bambara yabaha ofisi abantu babushenya abantu bibanda abantu ba Rukungiri abantu ba Kasese abantu ba Fort Portal abantu ba Toro twena head office yitu eriaha. The only thing they can do is to intimidate. They are ever intimidating Ugandans, but nothing more they can do apart from offering the empty promises. They only promise empty promises. They only promise the empty promises. They only promise the empty promises. They only promise the empty promises. His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu is moving out of the town. He's moving out of the town. We are live in Mbarara. We are live in Mbarara. Once we are together, they will never be defeated. People together will never be defeated. People power is bigger than people in power. People power is bigger than people in power. People power is bigger than people in power. That's why you need to unite. Muino kolera awamu, muino kwegata, muino kukiza ntikisoboka tambula. Yongera mu. People power is bigger or is greater than people in power. We are live in Mbarara. He's moving out of Mbarara. They are holding guns, but they believe that this is a national leader. Mwebare kunda president witu, mwebare kunda musinguzi, mwebare kunda mwembezi mulungi. Ogunwe president yaronzibwa abantu 2014 okubanza omwaka wa 2021. We are live in Mbarara. His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, the people's leader. For you banange mbabulira kino kiddamu tolira batya toka no yingira wakatobo bayina beba kugwako nga tona yingira bakublokinga